everybody, and welcome back to Sandy Beach Bum. I'm Sandy. Sorry I'm not on camera today, but I haven't done my hair and makeup because being stuck home all day, I really just am enjoying not having to do that. So I don't want to appear on camera looking the way I do without hair and makeup, so it's going to be me from here down. Sorry about the way the previous video ended rather abruptly. When it was all said and done, I realized it was a 19-minute video and really didn't want to add any more to the end of it, so I just let it be what it was. So I'm continuing today. Today's Wednesday, and the rest of the items have arrived. I will tell you that I decided to return the package of small measuring cups and also the little round bases, what I wanted to use as a base for any vase that was unstable, because I just wasn't happy with them, and I found something else online to order instead. So I have a few extra things, and everything is here now, so we're going to go through it all, and you can see. And I've already opened these items, and where's my Lysol? Here it is. And I need to just spray the contents as they come out. And the reason why I open them all, A, because then you don't have to watch me open them all, and B, I also got some personal items and I didn't want to be opening those on camera by mistake. So first of all, there's this item here, and I think this is more of those crystals. Let me just get my scissors. All right, so let's open this up. Have a look. Okay, wow. Not what I was expecting. Okay, these are more tiny crystals. So I have no recollection of ordering these, but I guess I must have. There's like this is 1,000 in each one, but I don't know about that. Anyway, more crystals for sparkling up the edge of the bowl to look like frothy water. This is a, I haven't sprayed this, but whatever, I'll have to clean up after. This is a little jelly roll pan that has a lip, and I also want to, once I get used to working with the resin, I also want to try to make just a freestanding wave that I think would make good bookends, and this would be great to put the resin in one of these. And now I'm looking at it, I probably should have ordered two. So the next time I order something from Amazon, I will order another one so that I can make two bookends at the same time. I expected this to be more like a regular size cookie sheet, but it's a little smaller. That's okay, that'll work for what I want. Okay, so I went ahead, I decided to order some more colors for a more opaque bowl. So this is Cobalt Diamond Blue Mica, and this is Caribbean Blue Mica. So with the other two colors I have, I should be able to create some nice effects with the resin. Now this is, because I returned those other tiny measuring cups, I decided to see if I could find some bigger ones, and I found this set of a 1 cup, or sorry, 2 cup and a 1 cup. So I figure I can put 1 cup of the resin in here, 1 cup of the hardener in here, pour that in there, mix together, voila. Then I can put this in the smaller cups to put the various colors in. So again, it looked a little bit small when it arrived, but then I realized, well, it is a 2 cup and a 1 cup, and hopefully that will work. Because none of the videos ever said what quantities they were using to make their bowls, I don't know if 2 cups is enough. We will have to see. Now here's the rest of the Bombay Ink colors I ordered, which I'm pretty excited about. Let me just get them out of their little wrapping. This one is, oh, all right, this one is turquoise. So the earlier one was, the one I got the other day was teal, turquoise, Aqua, and the last one I think is going to be a deep blue. Let's see. Oh, they really package these suckers up tight. Yeah, it's a nice dark blue for the deeper part of the wave, just called blue. So that's 4 India inks I have. I'm really excited. I love nothing more than the color of the Caribbean Sea, and I'm excited to try to replicate that with these colors. Now in here, this is the last box. Okay. In here is the replacement base molds to replace the ones that had the channel, the little lip that I didn't like. So these, there's 6 of these, which if I ever get into making coasters, I suppose would be handy. Who knows where this whole hobby is going to lead me. But these are like just straight, deep, you know, fully depth molds where I can put the vase in and get a good stable base. And there's a set of 2. They're made out of silicone. I will well, I don't know. Let me say I might cut them apart, but maybe I won't. We'll see. Then I went ahead and bought a clear tablecloth to cover this work surface because if you haven't guessed yet, I'm working out of my kitchen because I live in a very small condo. I only have 1 bedroom. I have no spare space, nothing certainly to even remotely become a crafting room. When I had a house, I had a huge room above the garage, the bonus room that was my sewing crafting room, but my life has changed drastically since then, since those days, and I now am single. My children have all left home, and I have downsized. And because of the career that I have, which is working in film and television, I'm almost hardly ever home and don't have a lot of time for sewing and crafting anymore. Most of my supplies I gave to my daughters. So this is sort of restocking and starting over, and but on a much smaller scale. The last item is a mineral spirits thinner, which I saw one of the people on the videos use to help the layers of colors spread. So I thought I would get some on hand in case I felt like I needed some assistance in getting the colors to spread, and also to give that kind of lacy look that you get when a wave comes in and you get that white foam and it's kind of lacy, or going up a wave, you'll often see that white foam. This apparently helps get that effect. So that's all I have for now. I'm going to end this video with a shot of the sea glass window I made using resin that I said I would show you. So I have a little video of that I took when the sun was on it, and it's enhanced a little with a filter that makes it sparkle, so it doesn't really sparkle like that in real life, but I do get a beautiful effect from it when the setting sun shines through it. It's actually quite amazing. So I'll post that as well so you can see the one resin thing I've made in my short experience with resin. So either later today or tomorrow, we're going to get started on our first project here and see how this goes. I'm really excited. See you on the next video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because there's going to be a lot of videos coming.